In programming, there is often a need for a random number generator or a random number generator out of a given set. So today, you're going to learn how to create that in Python. Hello coders, welcome to my channel. I'm David, your guide to mastering programming. First, you need to import the random module if you want to use the random functions that will give you random numbers. I'll create a for loop that will run itself 3 times because I want to get 3 random numbers to show you something. I'll create a variable, and now, since I imported the random module this way, if I want to use some random function from that module, I need to write the module name, random, then write a dot, and then write the function name. First function that I want to show you is randint function that has 2 parameters, the starting and the ending parameter. Both of these are included, which means 0 and 10 can be returned from this function. Now when I print x, this will ensure that every random number that I get is printed in the same line. As you can see, 7, 5, and 2 are printed. Next useful function is randint. I mean, not randint, but randrange. The randrange function has one extra parameter, which is the step, which means it will generate numbers from 0 to 10, but with step 2, which means I will only get 0, 2, 4, 6, and 10, not 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now, when I run this code, and if I run this code multiple times, as you can see, I always get those numbers 0, 4, 2, 6, or 8. I never get 1, 3, 5, or 7. In some cases, you don't have something that has a pattern. Maybe you have just letters or some colors. For the sake of the simplicity, I will work with letters, but you can have, for example, color red, blue, or green. They don't have a pattern, but you want to get some of them random by your choice. I mean, by computer's choice. In that case, you can write here those letters. And now the function is called choice. Makes sense. You want to get some choice out of the given ones. The only parameter is the sequence itself. So now when I run this, as you can see, I only get A and C. To prove that you will get only the numbers from the sequence that you passed, I'll run this multiple times and you will see that I will only get A, B, or C. As you can see, just A, B, or C are printed. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more coding content. See you in my next video. Until then, keep coding.